press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Deepika's Ram Leela.
That is annoying.
No, it's good, sweet, and it's a mixture.
He's too cute.
Yeah, that is.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we have with us two guests, so very, very special. Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, that is the name of the film, and they're truly coming to everybody's heart in every pal. Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas is the name of the film. Karan Deol, the latest, Chirag in the Deol family. And if his father has 2.5 kilo ka haath, I'm pretty sure he has 5 kilo ka haath. And the very beautiful girl from Shimla. Now I know the reason why Bombay ka temperature is increasing, because she has come all the way from Shimla. So welcome to IWM Buzz, both of you. It's a pleasure having you both.
Thank you.
So we're going to play some games right now. The first one is, and this is something that you both, it's open to both of you. You both have, it depends on who answers first.
Okay.
Yeah, so director को कौन सबसे ज़्यादा मक्खन लगाता था? I'm wondering.
Makhan doesn't work on Sunday.
With him it doesn't. I think if you do that, it pisses him off more. He likes you not to just be genuine and be yourself.
Yeah. And sets में कोई late आता था या फिर everybody used to be like get scared about Sunny sir कि यार डांटेंगे डांट पड़ेगा.
Because of we're so punctual, we actually were there before time.
Always before
time.
Yeah, superb. And ठंड में जो आप लोगों ने जो शूट किया तो उससे सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी किसको हुआ? तुमको या you?
It's very strange because I'm from Shimla.
Yeah, exactly.
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. उसके बाद to shoot in sub-zero conditions and be thrown inside the cold water.
So over there I had AC also.
I would be from the heat.
Yeah, I don't know that. Abnormal.
So, you were like, you were born and brought up in Bombay and you were chilling over there in AC and she's been there all the time in Shimla. Yeah. So there's an imagination game. I would like you to answer this first. Sahir was, talking about, how much she appreciates Alia Bhatt. So would you like to imagine Sahir in Alia Bhatt's avatar of Gully Boy? Or, would it be easier to imagine her in Deepika's avatar of Ram Leela? I mean, the personality that she is. Which character can she fit into, you think,
I think
better?
Deepika's Ram Leela.
And why do you say that? Why do you say that?
I think Alia Bhatt's, whatever her character, Gully Boy is very from the street and you need to really do your preparation and all before you do that, and hats off, she's done it really well.
Absolutely.
As Deepika and Ram Leela, it's more of a grandeur and look, and because it's the way it was shot and it was beautiful.
And with Sanjay Leela sir, you always expect that.
And everything, and you always expect that from Sanjay Leela sir.
Absolutely. So, this one is for you. Can you imagine Karan better in Ranveer Singh's Bajirao Mastani avatar or Karan in Ranveer Kapoor's avatar in Saawariya where he's doing that towel wala dance?
Good one.
Yeah.
I think Ranveer Kapoor Saawariya.
And why do you have to say that? He's like that chilled out all the time?
He is pretty chilled out, so I think
he can pull that off. Yeah, superb. What's the sweetest and the most annoying thing about Sahir?
She's always straightforward.
So that is annoying.
That is annoying.
No, it's good, sweet, and it's a mixture.
So you mixed it up, or like both the.
No. Sorry. Sweet is that she's straightforward.
And what is that annoying thing?
Sometimes difficult to get across.
and the same question for you. Sweetest and most annoying thing about him?
He's a little unpredictable sometimes.
Yeah.
So
Unpredictable in what way?
Behavior, I think.
Yeah, like he does something.
Yeah.
And he doesn't know that he's done something. It's like he's in his zone and he's a little.
पता ही नहीं है कि क्या किया.
Yeah, and then I have to like act a little like, and then he's
Then
like,
I realize
नहीं ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, so that you realize.
And then he just gets an idea. Okay, maybe I've done this, but I don't.
So then he gets into that thinking zone.
And sweetest is he's too cute.
Yeah, that he is. The smile, the face, everything. Girls are crushing all the time.
I don't think.
No, genuinely. I've seen the comments on the trailer, and the comments from women are like, absolutely. I mean, I was feeling a little jealous, man. क्या थोड़े comments अपने photos में भी आ जाए ऐसे. So this is a this or that wala game. This is for you. Beard or no beard?
Beard or no beard?
Stubborn.
Ice cream or gulab jamun?
Gulab jamun.
Superb. A guy coming up to you directly and expressing his feelings, or somebody who's like a little shy and talking over phone, or messaging you.
Coming directly.
Yeah. Kissing in public or kissing in private?
Private.
Yeah. And home cooked plain food or 5-star buffet?
Home cooked.
Nothing beats that. Karan, this one is for you. Action or romance? Shah Rukh sir's hand wave or Salman sir's Hur Hur Dabang step?
That's difficult because they both are really iconic in their own way. I would say Salman's. I like me.
Yesterday, both Salman sir and Ajay sir had tweeted. You have seen them throughout your childhood while growing up, and now they're promoting your movie. What is like the feeling? I mean, this is not a part of the segment, but I just wanted to know.
It's really nice of them, and thank you to them both so much for Ajay sir and Salman sir for spreading the love. And words can't describe the feeling,
absolutely.
and I'm very blessed that they have welcomed me the way they have. Both of us.
Absolutely.
Very sad.
Absolutely. Wonderful. And remix or original?
Original.
Yeah. First love or experience love?
Experience. Out of experience only, I'm telling you right now.
Coming.
And I didn't see this coming, but then I get it now. I say that. High school crush or first girlfriend in college? Which is more special?
High school crush, because you're very naive at that moment, and you know
like
that
all the butterflies you see
that
her, and there's something
you know
going
that
on
it
in the
is
heart.
After high school, I'm going to marry this girl. That's the pretense you have.
That's the most innocent part of childhood. Okay, so we're going to play this beautiful song game right now. It's not too difficult, I assure you both. I'm just going to say the lines in English, and you both have to predict one by one which is the song. So the first one is for you. Sometimes we match like sari and its lining. Sometimes I leave my heart, sometimes I catch it.
Sari
के फाल सा कभी मैच किया रे.
You don't know this.
Rajkumar. This one is very easy. We're just talking about this personality. One hot teacup and somebody to serve it.
I know this.
Hot teacup.
And somebody to serve it. We just talked about this personality, Karan.
Salman.
Yeah. Just give you the biggest hint possible for this one.
Was it one of Dabang ka?
No. Old one.
Oh, Jana Jana.
No. I'll repeat it again. One hot teacup. Yeah. She's giving you hints. One hot teacup and somebody to... एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो. Okay, this one is for you. Your eyes are a maze, your talks are a maze. In the lanes of my dreams, I keep looking for you. This one is a little difficult, probably. Can you guess?
Okay, just tell. I think it's a Shah Rukh.
No. I can give you the hint. One hint. I won't name the actor जिसका movie है ये. But then इस movie का एक remix. No. I'll repeat. Your eyes are a maze. Take it, line by line. Your eyes are a maze. Your talks are a maze. In the lanes of my dreams, I keep looking for you. Getting closer. Shall I say it?
Yeah.
तेरी आँखें भूल भुलैया बातें हैं भूल and Kartik Aaryan is coming up with the remake. This one is for you. Sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as if you were made only for me. But you can't. Huh? Superb man, superb. Wasn't expected. Great. This one is for you, the last one. Here comes oily Jasmine, secretly and alone after taking shot.
Here comes oily Jasmine.
Oily Jasmine, secretly and alone. It's a Katrina Kaif song.
Oh.
Come on. Shall I repeat? Chameli. Superb. So with this, we come to the end of the song game, and I think she has definitely won it because she was even guessing the ones which and she was already confident before, and then I'm gonna win it. Superb. So it's been a pleasure talking to you, Karan and Sahir, and thank you so much for being with us at IWM Buzz. And I really hope that just like the name of the movie, you both come and touch everybody's heart, every pulse. And you just keep getting closer. Thank you so much. All the best for the movie. That's a wrap today at IWM Buzz with Karan Deol and Sahir Bamba. Stay tuned with IWM Buzz for more. Thank you so much.